Setting a new pace, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, setting a new pace. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and how to use it can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. Setting a new pace refers to establishing a new speed or rate at which something progresses or is done. It can be applied to physical activities, like running or walking, but it's also frequently used in a metaphorical sense. When someone talks about setting a new pace, they might mean changing how quickly things are happening in a project, in learning, or in any process of change. The word pace itself is key to understanding this phrase. Pace refers to the speed or tempo of an activity. So, when you're setting a new pace, you're essentially deciding on a new speed or rhythm for something to follow. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work context, if a team leader says, "We need to set a new pace to meet our project deadline," they mean the team needs to work faster or more efficiently to achieve their goal on time. 2. In personal development, someone who decides to read more books might say, "I'm setting a new pace for my reading habits," indicating they intend to read more frequently or more books than before. 3. In sports, a coach might tell their athletes, "We're setting a new pace for our training sessions," aiming to increase the intensity or duration of workouts to improve performance. These examples show that setting a new pace involves deliberate change towards achieving specific objectives, whether in personal goals, work projects, or other activities. Understanding and using the phrase, setting a new pace, is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about grasping the concept of change and progression. It emphasizes the importance of adaptability and the willingness to adjust your speed or approach in response to different circumstances. This phrase can inspire and motivate, whether you're talking about personal growth, professional development, or teamwork. It's about taking control and actively shaping the path to your goals. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, setting a new pace. It's a powerful concept that can apply to so many areas of life and learning. Whether you're accelerating your efforts or finding a more sustainable speed, setting a new pace is about moving forward in a way that's right for you or your team. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey, so keep setting your pace, and enjoy every step of the way.